OpenStack is an open-source platform designed for cloud computing. It is most commonly used as an infrastructure as a service. The platform allows users to control networks, hardware pools, and networking resources. The application developer web portal is intended to allow developers quick access to the features they use most when interacting with OpenStack. As software and hardware continue to evolve, the OpenStack application developer web portal will continue to be used by application developers as well as cloud service operators.
The main goals of our OpenStack web application development portal were used to address the following user needs determined from our personas: clear, uncomplicated error messages and notifications, quick access to deployment, ability to expand and compress resources being used, no complicated whys or hows of the implementation, better access to requests for additional resources, and sending resource approval messages to application developers. In accomplishing these tasks, our web application centered upon a simple and intuitive interface, graphical representations to report resource management, and a customizable design. For these specific use cases determined by our personas, we address clear and uncomplicated error messages and notifications. To view all notifications on any screen of the app, the user can click the bell icon and view all the updates related to their project development. Next, we provided the user with quick access to deployment. Once they are on the new instance page, the user can select details, networking, and advanced settings related to their starting project. Once they select all the relevant drop-downs and fields, the user can then create a new project. Having the ability to expand and compress resources being used, the Instances tile describes the resources being used up by each respective project. The project creation process is very easy to complete, and when there are errors displayed in the notification bar, the user can search in the documentation to find the specific error. To search the documentation for an error, the user can click the search bar, ideally by typing the error, and find the documentation in the Help and Support page. To provide the user with better access to requests for additional resources, we place their resource list on their dashboard.
She is greeted by the dashboard where she can easily view her resources and where to begin. She clicks New Project in the Getting Started tile, which is right there in front of her and quickly accessible. During the creation of her app, she stumbles upon an error which is clear and concise and easy to understand. However, not being sure how to solve this error, she uses the readily available search bar at the top of the screen and finds her error in the user documentation. During the process of deploying her app, she becomes worried that she might need more resources. She clicks on the Resources tile on the dashboard and can easily compress and view the resources she is actually concerned about. Quinn quickly completes the deployment process and is excited because people can finally download her app.
Emma is an experienced application developer. However, she has taken on the role of cloud operator for a company. She signs in and notices that in her pending request tile on her dashboard, she has 2 requests to join a specific project. She grants the request and continues to monitor their activities. While on the website, she gets a notification from one of the developers who wants more RAM for the project. She grants the user's request and sends an approval message to the developer. She continues to monitor their resources over the course of the project, approving and denying resources requests as she sees fit. The project is finally finished, and she's so happy with the results.